Hi everybody, this is Grant Larson. Thanks for joining here and looking at the stock report. So this, I've never been a fan of trading the news. That's because the market sometimes, goes in the way you don't think it should. So technical analysis needs to be the foundation, at least for the way that I found very effective to do this. However, I'm also not a fan of being ignorant of what's going on in the world around us. Let's take an example of this. Look at what happened this week, okay? All right, so here's Monday. This is the SPY, and it shoots up. Monday, Tuesday goes up. Wednesday starts to turn around, come back down. Thursday and Friday, big sell-off. So what does that have to do with anything? Well, on Monday, there was a exceeded expectations to the positive side of retail sales economic report. So the market responded. Has some impact on it. Up here, building permits also exceeded expectations to the positive side. But now we get to the top of our little mountain here, and what started to come back down was crude oil inventories. We're expected to drop, but instead it dropped quite a bit. All right, and here we've got a sell-off on the major index throughout the week. Okay, so we always use our technical analysis, but be aware of the expectations that are met on these economic reports and whether it met or exceeded expectations, either to the upside or to the downside. All right, it had an impact on our stocks this week to some level. You want to see it? Come on in and take a look.